Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Hitesh and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will be covering one of the frequently asked Android interview question related to Kotlin, that is, what is an inline function? So this video is basically a part of my ongoing series on Android interview questions and answers. So without further ado, let's dive into the explanation. So if you see the definition, inline function instruct compiler to install the complete body of the function wherever that function gets used in the code. So let's see, I've used one of the snippet here. Let me try to explain this. So if you see, there's a function test which basically is printing start testing, and then it is calling test2 function, and then it is again printing something like end testing. Now if you see the below function test2, which is basically it will be called from test1. Now just to understand, let's try to decompile this function, and the steps is you find the tools here, and then you go to Kotlin and then show Kotlin bytecode. It will basically decompile the Java code into Kotlin. And if you see the result here, you will see this function test is basically printing the text as usual. Then it is calling test2 function, and after that it is printing again end testing, and the test2 function remains here as it is. And this is basically, it happened where we haven't added any inline keyword before the test2 function. So basically both of the functions are very normal functions here. Now let's try to use the inline keyword here, and again try to repeat the same steps like decompiling the code and see the result. So after the code is decompiled, you see the result here. It is first calling the start testing print. It is trying to print this, then it is trying to print do something which is a part of test2 function, and then it is printing end testing. So if you see the difference here compared to the last one, it is not calling the test2 function. Instead it is basically it has copied the code from test2 function and it has pasted over here. So that is what it makes the difference, the inline keyword. Now let's see the benefits of inline function. There are two major benefits here: the performance and the enhanced lambda performance. So the function call overhead doesn't occur. It is less overhead and faster program execution, and it improves the performance for functions that takes lambda as a parameters, which basically is it is used in higher order functions. So the main question arises here: if we understand that what is inline function, we should also know that when to use this. So we must use the function where we know that the xyz function which we are going to use again and again at so many places in the application, right? It should be used, or it should be used as an inline function when it is very small piece of code, like maybe 2 or 3 lines of code it holds, and that is the place where you don't want to keep on calling all those 3 lines again and again. Rather you just want to copy those 3 lines into your function. So that is the place you should use it. When a function code is large and called from so many places, it's a bad idea to make the function inline, as the large code will be repeated again. So the verdict for today is that we can take the decision when to make the function inline and when not. And we now also know the answer to the question, what is an inline function in Kotlin. So that's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any specific questions or topics you would like me to cover in future videos, feel free to drop a suggestion in the comments. I would be more than happy to create more content for you. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.